What's up everyone? We have got a problem with a Sony laptop. Heating issues and freezing issues. Due to heating it freezes out. So today we'll be solving these issues. So for that you need a screwdriver. So we are using a Phillips screwdriver to open all the screws on the laptop. So if you are not a pro, if you have never done it before, do it slowly. We have already opened the hard disk. Now we are opening all the screws one by one. Then we'll be removing the RAM from the RAM slot. Now we have removed all the screws from back. We are using a pry tool to open the keyboard carefully. Unwire the cable from the keyboard and all the cables that is connected to your motherboard. So now we are using a pry tool, a metal pry tool, to pry the laptop. You need to be really careful with your laptop. If you're using a metal, I would recommend you to use plastic. If you're using a plastic, you won't get a mark on your body. So here is a problem. So the problem of heating is coming from the fan. There are a lot of dust, a lot of lint on the back of the laptop. You definitely have to open this fan. For that you'll have to open this graphics chipset cooler. So using the Phillips screwdriver, open it, take off the wire, now remove it. You can see that the entire thermal paste is dried, completely dried, and there is a lot of lint on the exhaust of the fan. So now we'll try cleaning the lint of the fan. You see a lot of dust, so because of the friction also you might get a lot of issues. So the lint that is stuck on the exhaust of the fan, we remove it carefully. You can use a sharp pry tool or a tweezer, or a brush also is fine. So we are using a brush to clean up this. Now the fan exhaust is fine, but then we need to clean the thermal paste, the dried up thermal paste on the motherboard as well. So now the exhaust is completely clean, visible. We are cleaning the dried thermal paste on top of the chipsets. So we use a IP to clean it, and a towel. So we'll also clean it on top of the motherboard, on the chipset, or also on the processor. So that is a thermal paste. We put it on each of the processor and the chipset, and we forgot to put it on top of a small processor chipset out there. Clean it up and then put the thermal paste again. So there are two types of thermal absorbing items that we get. One is a thermal paste, another is a rubber based one that you get. So this is perfect for it. So we'll put all the screws and put the fan back, plug the fan in inside the laptop's motherboard. So we'll clean up the base of the laptop as well. Yes, the base is also clean now, ready to go for it. We'll put all the screws now, all the screws back using the Phillips screwdriver. We'll try to put the keyboard. We'll try to connect the keyboard. We'll try to clean the keyboard using the IP. Connect the keyboard and the power button to the motherboard. Yes, it's done. The keyboard is also done. We'll try to check now if it works. We'll put the CD drive also inside. Before that we'll just clean it up, put it back, put the screws again, all the screws. I mean, it's not necessary just for testing, you don't have to put all the screws, and just the hinges screws are enough. But then now we are sure that there is no other problem in this except for heating. Almost done with all the screws. Yes, we are done with all the screws. Almost done. We'll try to switch on the laptop and see if it works fine. Yes, it switches on and works well. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.